When I think about the college, I get reminded of many great stories. But if I have to choose, I would choose my art exhibition at the college. I had a great art exhibition. I felt very grateful that the college gave me that opportunity to have an art exhibition in the JCR and at the lower library. I was surprised by the people that showed up. I was not expecting that. So many people showed up to the opening reception. And it was very interesting for me that people really appreciated the art and bought so many prints, the originals, and I met so many great people through the event. It was a very great and unique experience for me over the couple of years that I have been living at the college.